Are you searching for the best dash cams 2025 to keep your journeys safe and record every drive with confidence? Automobile. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the top dash cameras of this year. From budget-friendly options to advanced models like the best 4K dash cam, and even feature-packed choices perfect for rideshare drivers and commuters. Whether you need a front and rear dash cam for full coverage, a mirror dash cam, or something reliable for Uber, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we break down the 5 best dash cams of 2025. All product links are in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. 1. OMBAR T1 4K 3-channel dash cam. Starvis 2 IMX678 sensors. Free 128GB card. 2025 new full-color HDR night vision. 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p triple car camera. 5G Wi-Fi. 24H parking mode. Support 512GB max. The OMBAR T1 4K 3-channel dash cam is an impressive contender among the best dash cams 2025, offering a triple camera system that ensures no blind spot is left uncovered. Equipped with the advanced Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, it captures stunning 4K front video quality while simultaneously recording in 1080p for both rear and cabin views, making it a solid choice for daily drivers, rideshare drivers, or road trip enthusiasts. Its full-color HDR night vision is one of its strongest features, allowing clear visibility even in challenging low-light conditions. A free 128GB memory card comes with the package, but if you need extra storage, the dash cam supports up to 512GB, giving you ample space for long drives. The inclusion of 5G Wi-Fi makes it easy to transfer footage directly to your phone without delays, and the 24-hour parking mode offers peace of mind by monitoring your car when parked. With features like loop recording, G-sensor collision detection, and user-friendly app integration, the OMBAR T1 is not only packed with smart technology, but also incredibly practical. Whether you're looking for the best dash cam for Uber, a reliable front and rear system, or just one of the most advanced dash cameras this year, the OMBAR T1 is a great choice. 2. VIOFO A229 Pro 4K HDR dash cam. Dual Starvis 2 IMX678 IMX675 4K plus 2K front and rear car camera, 2-channel with HDR, voice control, 5 GHz Wi-Fi GPS, night vision 2.0, 24H parking mode, support 512GB max. The VIOFO A229 Pro 4K HDR dash cam is a premium 2-channel system that truly deserves a spot on any Best Dash Cams 2025 list. Featuring the highly advanced Starvis 2 IMX678 and IMX675 sensors, it records in crystal clear 4K for the front camera and 2K for the rear, providing unmatched detail whether it's day or night. The HDR technology combined with Night Vision 2.0 ensures balanced, sharp images in bright sunlight, rain, or complete darkness, making this one of the most dependable options for every driving condition. What makes the A229 Pro stand out is its voice control system, letting drivers manage functions hands-free for maximum safety. Paired with 5 GHz Wi-Fi, file transfers and firmware updates are lightning fast, while built-in GPS keeps track of speed, routes, and location data, an essential feature for both personal and professional drivers. This dash cam also features a 24-hour parking mode, with intelligent motion and impact detection to guard your vehicle even when you're away. Supporting up to 512GB of storage, it ensures long recording hours without constant file management. With sleek design, cutting-edge features, and VIOFO's reputation for quality, the A229 Pro offers an outstanding balance of performance, reliability, and convenience. If you're in the market for a front and rear dash cam 2025 that checks all the boxes, this model is worth serious consideration. 3. VIOFO A329S 4K 3-channel dash cam. 4K front plus 2K cabin fisheye, 210 degrees, plus 2K rear, power-saving parking mode, Wi-Fi 6 app control, all-channel Starvis 2 sensors, supports up to 4 terabytes SSD storage. The VIOFO A329S 4K 3-channel dashcam is designed for drivers who demand nothing but the best in terms of coverage and video clarity. With a triple-channel setup, it records 4K in the front, a wide 210 degrees fisheye 2K cabin view, and 2K rear footage, ensuring a complete 360-degree perspective of your vehicle. This makes it particularly valuable for rideshare drivers, families, and anyone who wants full protection on the road. Equipped with Starvis 2 sensors across all channels, the A329S produces some of the sharpest, most detailed recordings available in 2025, even at night. Its Wi-Fi 6 support allows for ultra-fast video transfers and seamless app connectivity, while the power-saving parking mode provides efficient around-the-clock surveillance without draining your car battery. One of its most impressive features is the massive storage capacity, supporting up to a 4 terabytes SSD, which is far beyond what most dash cams in the market offer. This makes it ideal for long road trips, professional drivers, and those who prefer not to worry about constantly clearing footage. The design is sleek, and with smart features like loop recording, G-sensor protection, and app-based controls, it's both modern and user-friendly. For anyone searching for the best dash cams 2025, especially a 3-channel dash cam with premium features, the VIOFO A329S is a powerhouse that delivers unmatched performance and value.